Welcome back to the channel. This is Record Notes with voice using Noted. So, first thing is download this application. It will be available on the Google Play Store or App Store. And right away, you will have just a simple homepage. And you can just simply tap on the plus icon down below. Now from here, right away, you should be able to have the red icon and of course, it will be recording. Let's say I'm going to tap on it and you can just simply select allow over here and tap on allow again. So allow access to your files and your microphone into your phone. And from here, let's say I'm going to stop it now. And now guys, when you stop it, as you can see, you should be able to play it at the top and you could put notes right away over here. And now you can just simply select the three dots if you want to tag a time. Let's say I want to put a tag. As you can see, the hashtag will be available and tap on confirm. And I should be able to tap on it to provide a time tag. And pretty much over here, you can provide a notes while listening to it. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.